Has hearing others been more difficult lately? If so, it might be time to look into hearing aids. But how do you know which hearing aid is right for you? At Advanced Tech Hearing Aid Centers, we offer a free hearing aid test drive. A hassle-free way to find the perfect hearing aid for you. A no-pressure process that truly puts you in the driver's seat. Here's how it works. Contact us to schedule an initial hearing evaluation. We'll check your hearing, and if the results show that you could benefit from hearing aids, we will fit them to you that same day, with no commitment or deposit required. Take them for a test drive around the house, out on the town, and any place that you typically have trouble hearing. It's really that easy. Visit adtechcenters.com or call 717-560-5023 to schedule your risk-free hearing aid test drive today. Advanced Tech Hearing Aid Centers, helping you hear better for over 36 years in Lancaster.